Yeah, he's moving away from me. He's behind the residences and running eastbound behind the residences along Wellesley Lane.
Can you come out?
There's all speed on. Fuck up. Hands up.
Dog. Should be that way.
There's all speed on. No, no.
See that fence in front of you? On the other side of the fence, there's looks like there's two vehicles. He's laying down next to the side of the vehicles. He's on the other side of the fence.
I can see you. Come out now with your hands up. You're gonna get dog bit.
Here, I see it.
Hey, move.
Don't
move.
Stay. He's good. He's leaving you alone.
Tell them to get their dog.
Tell them to get their dog. Hey.
Shit, they got this thing won't let me. Please get that dog. Please get that dog. They got this thing won't
Hey.
let me.
What's your name?
Please.
Hey.
Andre, listen. Sir, I hear you. Just stay still.
Nope. Don't move.
Stop. Please.
Nope.
Put the thing in, please.
Yeah, 10, stand by. Contact.
Put the thing in, please.
Yeah, 10, stand by. Contact. Subject.
Please, come on. Relax. I gotta leave them. Please, unlock the gate. Unlock the gate. I'm unlocking the gate.
Leave your hands up. Just chill. Just leave your hands up.
I'm unlocking the gate. I'm unlocking the gate. Come out. Please.
Come out.
Please.
Come out
now. Please. I'm coming out.
Go to the ground. Go to your ground.
Go to the ground. I'm on the
Hands behind your
ground.
back.
Oh, man. My God, my head is on the back. Look, so you gotta dog me. You gotta dog me.
Leave your hands behind your back.
I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna move.
Leave your hands behind your back.
You gotta do none of that, sir.
Just leave your hands behind your back.
Sir.
Leave your hands behind your back.
Please don't hold tight.
Do not put your hands up in front of you. You're gonna get tased.
Please.
Let him handcuff you, and we'll let you up.
Oh, please. Please don't hurt me, man. Please don't hurt me.
Calm down, man. Let your hands go. Relax your hands. Secure.
I'm not gonna run, man.
You're not gonna run. You've been running this entire time. Calm down.
Andre. Yes, sir.
Take a breath.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir, I have
Go on your side.
I have panic attacks. All
right, Andre, listen. Calm down. Come here.
Hold on.
Have a seat. Sit up. Come on, bro. No, come on. You've been running. Yeah, come on. We're not doing this.
I'm just saying I have panic attacks. I ain't about to do that.
My car's all the way down there. Morgante, will you open yours, please?
Yep.
You search them? No, I'm about to. Put your belly against the car.
White Sam, man. White. Come on, man. That's not what the hell, man, baby.
You're running just fine, bro. Stand up, Andre. Chill. Stand up. Catch your breath.
He gotta try to hurt me.
Come on,
He gotta try to hurt me, though. That's what I'm saying. He tried to hurt me. He got that thing in his hand, man. He's tripping.
Stand up straight. Stand up straight so we can get you sat down.
I'm